Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sandstorm environment, a sandstorm's desert scenes for your iClone 8 3D animation software. Now you can see this is the sandstorm with the desert environment, the desert terrains with cloudless sky and also the sandstorm. How am I going to make this? I'm going to show you all the step by step. Let's go. First, just go and select a terrain right here. Select the desert terrain. So you can just select from here as an example. Now you can see some deserts with some pyramids. Next, you need a sky. Alright. To select a sky, just go to click here, then sky. Sky in desert, it should be no clouds. Just choose the cloudless. Then next, just go to the particle legacy. Go to the environment here, particle legacy environment. Then just choose the sandstorm from here. Just double click it. Now Ctrl G to just control play. And here you should be able to see the sandstorm. It will happen just within the box. So you can just make your 3D animations somewhere at here. But before you render it, just go to the scene, just unseen here, and just have a look at the real-time rendering. Just unseen the sandstorm box, but you still can see the sandstorm effect. And everything are really easy. It's really easy. Alright. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a sandstorm desert environment for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!